How you doing? My name is Mike Batros. I am a full-time firefighter and also owner and operator of Redline First Responder Gear Cleaning. We are the only mobile dual verified ISP in the country. We bring all of our cleaning equipment right to the station. The whole reason we're doing this is to reduce the risk of cancer facing our firefighters. So if we can make cleaning more convenient, more easy for guys, and bringing all the equipment right to them and doing all the equipment in the entire station versus some sets, everything here is worthwhile. So on this truck, this is our mobile extraction unit. We have our own water. We have a tumble dryer for drying the liners. We have 2 extractors for liners and shells to keep everything completely separate. We have drying cabinets for the outer shells. We have hydrostatic testing. We carry a ton of extra soap with us for mixing our soap needs. We have an ultrasonic tank for running helmets. Anything we might need to, any hard edge we can't run through an extractor. Our goal when we leave the firehouse is everything is clean, in service, inspected, and ready to go the same day.